Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. In today's lesson, I will discuss the two main goals we should consider in our life.
Two goals in life. According to Buddhism, intelligent people should have two goals in their lives. First, living comfortably in this life without suffering. Second, having a happy birth devoid of suffering in the following life. These goals are not achieved automatically. Therefore, some help must be sought to achieve them. People receive assistance from activities such as agriculture, handcraft, and trade for well-being in this life. Humans receive assistance from religion for well-being and pleasure in the life beyond. Do you know, normally humans live in this life for less than 100 years? But in the life beyond, it is for a very long period that cannot be measured even in years. Some are measured in eons. Therefore, intelligent things of the life to come more than this life. They avoid any action that leads to unhappiness after death. Intelligent people avoid actions that bring profit and pleasure in this life but lead to unhappiness in the next life after death. So, they will not perform unwholesome acts even to protect their life. Therefore, the Buddha has preached Jivitancha adhammena dhammena marananchayang maranandammikang seyo yang che jive adhammikang. Meaning, between living against the Dhamma, teachings of the Buddha, and dying in Dhamma, the dying in Dhamma is greater. So I hope you will also consider about these two main goals into your life. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.